Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to move an email from trash to inbox in Yahoo Mail. First of all, launch open the Yahoo Mail application on your device, or you can also visit the Yahoo Mail's official website on a browser and log into your account. After you're logged into Yahoo Mail, go ahead and get to the bottom left corner and tap the inbox drop down. Now click on Trash. Inside your trash folder, you will be able to see emails that you have deleted recently. This is where deleted emails are held, typically for 30 days, unless your setting differs. In the trash folder, go ahead and find the email you wish to move back to your inbox. Press and hold the email, and in the pop-up, click on Select Message. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Move. Select Inbox from the pop-up, and the deleted mail will be moved back to your inbox. You can now go back to your inbox and you'll see the mail appearing inside it. So that is how you can easily move an email from trash to inbox in just a few simple steps. If you have deleted emails by mistake, then this process will help you get the email back to your inbox once again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.